Blasting machines, general safety precautions. 1. Only trained, authorized personnel shall operate or work on the machine. 2. Operators of the equipment shall be familiar with its operating manual. 3. All persons in the proximity of the machine must wear all mandatory PPEs and ear protectors. 4. Changes, add-ons or conversions to the machines which might impair safety, must not be undertaken without the manufacturer's permission. 5. Intervals for recurring checks and inspections specified in the operating manual must be complied with. 6. Check the machine for damage and defects before commencement of the day's work. Use a pre-prepared checklist. Maintain records of checking. 7. Secure the work area around the machine, providing a safe distance of at least 2 meters from the machine. 8. People around should be mindful of abrasives leaving the housing at high speed. It is not allowed to stay within the working radius of the machine. 9. Lift and cant machine only when it is in safety off position. 10. Do not switch off or remove the exhaust and ventilation device when the machine is running. 11. Use only extension cable for extending the machine cable that are sized and marked in accordance with the overall power consumption of the machine. 12. Adjustment, servicing and inspection work and time limits specified in the operating instructions as well as any information on the replacement of parts and equipment must only be undertaken as per instructions in the operating manual. 13. Keep hands away from moving parts. 14. Do not operate the equipment on a wet surface or in the vicinity of flammable liquid or vapors. 15. Prior to starting the equipment, make sure all belts are in good condition, are in place and adjusted to the proper tension. 16. Do not maintain, repair or climb on the equipment in a suspended position. 17. Do not stand under the suspended machine. 18. Remove the abrasive from the machine before it is transported. The machine may only be lifted by using suspension eyelets. 19. Check the surface to be treated for loose parts. The surface must be swept if necessary. Make sure that the machine can travel over all inequalities on the surface. 20. When the blast head is lifted from the work surface, abrasive escapes from the sides of the blast head at high speed. If the machine is moved with the blast head raised, the abrasive shot valve must be closed and the blast motor must be off. Alter the travel direction only after having closed the shot valve. 21. The dust container of the filter unit must be emptied regularly. 22. Make sure that all moving machine parts have come to standstill before any inspection or maintenance works are attempted.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.